Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm so excited to share this amazing recipe with you today. You'll want 1 scoop of chocolate protein powder, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 cup of almond flour, 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt, 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of honey, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. In a big bowl, mix all the dry ingredients together. Then, in another bowl, whisk the wet ingredients until they're nice and smooth. Pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients and stir until everything is well combined. Don't overmix though. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Pop it in the oven for about 20-25 minutes. And there you have it, you guys. The perfect healthy chocolate protein brownie. Let them cool for a bit, then cut into squares and enjoy. Don't forget to tag me if you try this recipe. I'd love to see your creations.